are microscopes? Definition of a microscope: an optical instrument used for viewing very small objects such as mineral samples, animal or plant cells, typically magnified several hundred times. A microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small for the naked eye. The science of investigating small objects using such an instrument is called microscopy. Microscopic means invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. When an object is photographed while under the microscope, it is called as a micrograph. History of microscope. Before the invention of microscopes, people believed that the illnesses were the result of poisonous gases or evil spirits. Once the microscope was created, people could see viruses and bacteria. These beliefs changed. The first microscopes used were from the Romans. They used glass lenses. The earliest microscopes were known as flea glasses because they were used to study small insects. Zacharias Janssen credited with inventing the microscope. Compound microscope was invented in the 1590s for the very first time. Details of microscope. The word microscope is a combination of two Greek words, micros or small and scopes or see. When an object is brought nearer than 10 inches or 25.5 centimeters to the eye, it usually becomes blurred. In other words, it is out of focus. The lenses were named as lenses because they are shaped like the seeds. Compound microscopes today are so advanced that they can magnify a sample as many as 1,000 times. An object can be magnified millions of times when it is being viewed through an electron microscope. Types of microscopes. There are many types like optical, electron and X-ray. If one single lens is used, then it is a simple microscope. With two lenses, it is known as compound microscope. Optical microscope create a magnified image using light from an object. Electron microscope are much more powerful and use a beam of electrons instead of light. The most common type is the optical version, which forms images from visible light by using lenses. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and turn on post notification. Thank you guys, and sorry for not uploading from a very long time. I'm sorry, but meet you in the next video. Bye bye.